Right now, there's a reason why UGC content is the hardest one in the industry. Now, why am I saying this? It's because AI is taking over. You've probably seen it on your newsfeed, or you probably haven't seen it, let's be honest, because some of the AI videos, which I'm talking, you literally give them a script and they will create a video, edit it, give you everything in the matter of 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let's be honest, obviously I'm a content creator myself. I have to go through the script process, I have to go through the editing, I have to go through talking and delivering it in a certain way that inspires to yourselves, the viewers. Now, what I'm going to be showing you today is a company that literally does this for you. It's a nice and simple, easy process. You basically give them a script and then scroll through the AI actors that they have. Now, once you've chosen that one, then they deliver you a video. Right now, let me cut the chase. Let me dive in and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so this company is Arcads.ai. We can see it up here. Link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence and for you to get started and start saving some time, because time is money. Okay, so what we can see is they can generate hundreds of winning videos from text alone. They have multiple different ones available for you to check, and if I just give you a clip, so not only is it talking heads, you also get product ones as well. So this is the extent of how vast this company is because you can give them a full script about a certain product, even give them link directions, everything like that, and they can create a video that you can see here. I'm just going to mute my page and then show you the video going forward. And as I continue talk, just take a look at that video. Obviously, for myself or even you or any other people, this would take a good hour, a good maybe 2-3 hours planning, getting all of those B-roll videos, everything like that. Whereas this comes in 5 to 10 minutes. Now, another one is you can see it's got the green screen effect with the Instagram looking background behind her on a phone. This is all done. Now, not only that, but you also get the viral edits as well, like this. You would have seen these on TikTok or Instagram. They do multiple different, and in the back office, which I'm going to show you, stay tuned. I'm actually going to do a reel that I need to do anyway. Got the script prepared, and I'm going to show you how easy it is in the back office of Arcads to get this reel ahead. But as we go down, we can see that this is what they're saying. No back and forth communication with creators. So if you're a business owner and you're hiring a creator, obviously some of them will have a 48 to 72 hour turnaround. And 9 times out of 10, you have to provide a lot of detail for obviously the way they want it, the way you want it to be delivered. They obviously need to know those important factors. Okay, so you can get your AI video ads in seconds, and it's for a fraction of the price. Now, there is a lovely video there that you can also watch on how we incorporate it into Facebook ads and how you can create the scripts and everything like that. But what we can see is the script right in here, engaging AI actors, and then bulk creation. So you can duplicate and generate all. There are some FAQs at the bottom of the page as well, but let's cut to it and let me log in and show you exactly what this is about. Okay, so this is Arcads. Obviously, I've already logged in and going through it. You can see that I have been a busy man. I use this a lot. All of these ones are here. There are multiple ones here, but what I'm going to show you is click on new project. Now, once you've clicked on new project, you will be sent into this section, okay? You do have multiple different options. You could either have talking actors, gestures, where they make the actors react to show emotions, videos, that's B-roll, videos up to 10 seconds long from text and images, and scenes, which is prompt, anything that actors should and say or do. Okay, you also get text to speech or speech to speech. Now, speech to speech I find is very good in the likes of if you want to get something across but you don't know how to write it down. So if you basically press speech to speech and then you start talking to it, the AI will determine not only what you want to be delivered, but also they could get your voice and your gestures and the way you say stuff to, and then to give that video a bit more personality, a bit more life. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to do talking actors. I've already got the script ready, so we're going to put that there, and then we want to click add actors. Now, the one I'm going to be doing it on is based on a Stoic FX, which is a Forex broker in one of the leading in the industry. So what you want to do is you want to go through and just make sure that the actor meets what you're trying to deliver. So for example, a Forex broker, I'm not going to get this handsome doctor to tell about a Forex broker. Okay, so we'll go down and we'll take a look. This could be like a good gaming one, or even the likes of, like, this could be a good one because he actually is in what looks like a luxury car as well. So as we scroll down, we're just going to keep an eye out for any that really gives that luxury feel, that Forex kind of industry. I like this guy, okay, Warren. I've got the pro account, so you obviously, as you can see, there are some that are pro, some that are just the basic package anyway, but you can honestly pick from any of these. As I'm scrolling down, let's go for Justin. Justin looks like a guy that probably is into Forex, love his background. He looks like a content creator as well. So this could be a good, popular one to go for. Okay, so now once I've selected him, then you'll just want to click on add actors. Now once you've done that, you can see that Justin has been added into the script, and then what you want to do is simply click on this arrow. Now once you've done that, you want to do avoid, it basically gives you some suggestions. Okay, so once you've done that, you just want to say generate video, because this basically says avoid violent, racist, or other content. Obviously we're not going to be doing that. Avoid typos, make sure that you double check the script and use proper pronunciation and punctuation that it actually says. So once you've done that, click on generate video, and it will say checking your content. This may take 10 seconds. Basically goes through everything that you have given it to make sure that this is exactly what you're looking for. Now this will take a couple of minutes, so we're going to jump back in the video when this is ready. Right, and we are back. That literally took maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Obviously I didn't want to sit with this just dead silence while this loads, but as we can see on the screen, let me just unmute my PC.
Looking for a trusted Forex broker that actually delivers? Stoic FX is your answer. Fully licensed, regulated, and verified by Omni, Stoic FX gives you peace of mind while you trade. With some of the best spreads in the market and the ability to copy top performing traders, it's never been easier to step into Forex with confidence. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced trader, Stoic FX makes your trading experience smooth, secure, and potentially more profitable. Ready to trade smarter? Click the link below.
There we go, guys. You would not know if that was an actual creator or if it was AI themselves. That is Arcads.ai. Link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But chuck any questions you may have in the comments, and myself or one of the team will be sure to answer it for you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.